Well, guys, some sad news. Good thing is we're out here fishing. Sad thing is I will not be fishing. If you saw my post, I'm not going to be fishing the UFC. Unfortunately, I got the flu and been quarantined. My quarantine ends, I think, day 1 of the UFC. But to be on the safe side, I'm going to go ahead and quarantine myself from that tournament because who knows. I'm basically on quarantine right now. Don't get crazy. I didn't stop nowhere. We went from my house straight to the launch and launched. Got it from this guy. He was out partying and going crazy around a lot of people, and I'm like, but he's pretty much over it. He's like 90%. I'm probably, I want to say 80. I want to say 80%. Still got shortness of breath and a cough. I can't really taste anything, but you know, it is what it is. Anyways, we're out here on the Delta in the jungle, and I had to get out of the house. Otherwise, I'm gonna go freaking crazy. We're gonna go see what we can do. It's a nice day. It's supposed to be like 94, but there's overcast. There's clouds in the sky. They look like they might break up here pretty soon though, but we're gonna go over here and fish some spots and hopefully get some fish and get back to normal. So let's go. Oh, that's because I bent.
Oh, did you bend the washing?
I bent the spool.
The spool. Get him in here. Oh my God. That was way bigger. Oh my God.
Guess that's how we get the day started, huh?
Huh? It's one way to do it. Flip it in. Oh, good. I definitely thought it was smaller. I don't know if you thought it was smaller too, but we sent it.
Okay. That's how you get the day started. Oh, my bad, guys. Just oh man, I had the camera down.
Oh yeah, the camera up.
My bad.
Pretty sure they seen it though.
My fault. We get y'all up. Yeah. A nice 4.5, 5 pounder.
Man.
Turd.
You want to go back there? It'd be fine.
No, bro.
Almost had another relocation. You're lucky he's a little chunky guy.
A little bit more chunky on. A little bit less, he would have been on the other side of the boat.
He was on the other side.
All right, another one.
It's not a good one. Decent. Oh shoot.
I'm not sure if I was recording. I hope I was recording. We just caught another one, 3 pounder. Let me see. Yeah, I don't want to bring it out. Man, I hope I was recording.
Do you have him? Not a bad one.
Nah, he was eating it. He's bleeding pretty good.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, midday update. Not gonna lie, it is rough. Not a rough day because we've been doing pretty good. Well, you haven't caught a fish yet. Oh man, you gotta get it together. But it's been kind of rough for me. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm a little bit more exhausted. I got a little bit more exhausted faster than usual because I'm sick. But so far it's been a good day. Good day. We're gonna go fish another spot over here. I don't know how much longer we're gonna be out here. We're gonna go fish this little spot and then go hit probably one more spot and then out of here because I'm tired. That sun came out and woo! But pretty much punching. Oh, and I caught a couple on. No, I only caught one on the worm. It was a nice one. Lost another one, but so far not too bad. Got a little bit of a pattern going. We're gonna go fish this spot, see what we can do, and then head back towards the launch. Fish that area. But let's go.
This fish busted.
Look, that's why the story's going.
Yeah.
Like, look, it's fish.
It's gotta be stripers.
Yeah, they was going crazy though. You gonna end up setting the hook and shit. Oh, was that just striper?
Yeah.
I seen that. I seen it out like the corner, like my peripherals.
See Mac attack. Got him? Probably Mac attack.
Say what?
Mac attack.
I got one.
So yeah, we came over here to Lads to see if we catch any of these fish in the marina from them Wednesday nighters. We was reaching, there's nothing. What do you guys, nothing in here. Obviously, you guys just seen one fish. But we're gonna head back towards Paradise, fish some spots on the way, and then call it a day, because ooh, I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. Plus this sun is draining me. All right, get back over here. I gotta take some photos though. I'm gonna take some pictures of some stuff. But anyways, we're on our way to the next spot. Now, let's talk about why we call this place the jungle, real quick. You know, because you're out here fishing, scooting along, you just never know what you're just gonna come across, just like the jungle, you know, on our way back to this other spot. And then all of a sudden, bam, you have a car, a truck sitting in the water. So like I said, welcome to the, wait, I'm not even in camera. Hold on, let's get it back. Welcome to the jungle. Okay, I wonder if there's any bass in there.
Oh, man.
Oh. Look.
Oh, he missed it.
He smacked it.
I told you
too.
though, what'd I say? You gotta throw it out there and it comes across them, they'll see it. I love that bait, dude.
He killed it. It was like a 3-pounder.
Yeah, it was nice.
He came out the whole freaking water. That fool killed it.
Oh,
You got one.
man. There we go, fish. Got one.
He had it that first time. That's why my line made that sound.
Yeah.
And I pulled it out his mouth. Then I felt him hit it again when my line went slack.
Got him.
Took us long enough, jeez. Finally.
Jeez, man.
Oh wow, it worked.
Got one? Nice.
Ow. Another one. You got anything? Nope. Oh my.
There he is. They were a little bit farther out. Push the anchor lock.
Yeah. Oh, you got it? You got it? You're swimming with it. It's a
That's
little
better.
bit, little bit better. Exactly where I said he was. As soon as I exited the grass. You ready? You ready? Ooh. There it was.
Oh yeah, chunky.
Yeah.
Try the rattle trap.
Haven't used that one in forever. I like these glasses, by the way.
The glasses?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Uh-huh.
They don't
They
fog
don't-
up.
Yeah, they don't. I was just about to say that.
Oh, striper? I think. Feels like a striper. If
You
it's
want
a
the-
bass, it's a big bass.
You want the net or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
If it's a bass, it's a big one. Oh, it is a bass.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, no.
Oh, it's not huge, but it's a
No, I
nice
don't want
one.
to get in my line.
Oh.
Oh, I'm stuck. Oh.
Look at that one. Nice little chunk. Switched up to the rattle trap, Delta Craw. Nice. Not bad.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
No, not too bad. Little fat guy.
You're really gonna go on the inside? That's ridiculous.
I don't get it. They had all this open space to the right. Let me go left.
Yeah. I got another fish.
You sure?
You
this
got
time?
it? Yeah, he's eating it right now.
Better get him before he swallows.
Get on, fella, man. Flipper die!
Oh, I got one too.
Oh!
Double. He ate all 6 of the hooks. Somebody told me to bring fish grippers, so I brought them. See? I brought them.
There you go.
Hey, these work pretty good. Thanks
Yeah.
for the suggestion. I had them already at the house. I just never brought them with me.
Pass me my rod.
Might as well.
You didn't want it to go sideways, huh?
Oh, I said might as well. Okay. That's cool. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap. Hope it's not too windy. It's kind of windy out here right now, so hope you guys can hear us well. It was a fun day, but I am exhausted right now, man. It's really killing me to be out here right now, but it was fun. You saw our last punch fish. I mean, I literally was like, might as well punch right here. Bam. I mean, it's been cool. It's been cool. He ended up getting on him late, but overall, punching and the yum dinger, I would say got all the fish.
Yeah.
Punching and yum dinger. Did catch a few on the Delta Craw rattle trap, and then
A couple on the FMTC.
which one? Oh yeah.
Oh no, you took it off.
No, I ended up not catching them. They came off at the boat.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, we used this FMTC big wraith right here, and let's see, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's like a 6-inch. Using it as like a fluke style. Got hit a few times on that one, but other than that, it was a good day. Had fun. It was good to get out here. I gotta get back though, rest up. Ooh, I'm hurting. But I might throw in some pictures at the end right here. I'm gonna put him on the bank. He's gonna take some pictures of me going on the boat and stuff. But other than that, it was a good day. I'll put down here below or up here somewhere how big that fish was. I think it's close to 5. I don't know if it's I don't know if it passed 5, but it's close to it. So other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm hurting right now. I know I sound busted because I am. But we'll be back at 100% soon. So until next time, guys, Bassin Kid, Coach Miguel, peace out.